Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2016 Module 1 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Open and save. Download the file, save it with 2 instead of 1. Step 2. Payroll worksheet. Move B1 to A1, autofit column A, set column D to 12.00. Enter the values in B12, use flash fill in D5. Add total in A15, remove borders from A15. Use SUM in B15 for B5, and count in B17 for B5. Step 3. Profit worksheet. Set to landscape, change A2 to Profit, March 1st to 7th 2018. Increase font size for A4, G8 to 12 points, adjust row 3 height to 18.00. Subtract B6 from B5 in B7, copy to C7. Use AutoSum on E5, clear A11, wrap text in G8, and zoom to 130%. Step 4. New worksheet. Insert and rename a sheet, Accounting, place it after the Profit sheet. Step 5. Save and submit. Save and follow instructions to submit.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.